Today we have our first Friday wellness event, and we have healthy gardening for health going on. We have our hydroponic planter where people can grow vegetables indoors. The food services department brought the planter over, and we can name the planter today. It's going to stay here at Hattie Mae White. We also have our farmers market where McCullough Farms grew the wonderful vegetables, and you can come by and pick up some fresh vegetables. They're $1 a pound. We want to encourage people to eat healthy, so you can definitely you do that here. We also have our Aetna on-site representatives here to pass out information on healthy eating and wellness tips as well. Wellness should be a part of everyone's lifestyle. We've all been under pressure over the past 2 years, so we're here at HISD Benefits to help you start that process. Get back on track.